woman's like, where you finna go? Where your mama at? Where is your mama at? Cause she don't work the damn horse. You out here looking like a damn horse out here, damn thoroughbred stallion. You know what? No, I'm going to do nothing gonna do. Cause if I don't, you gon' get you. Nothing gonna get you. Girl, you need a nigga that's gonna treat you like this. Oh, you taste like Sour Patch Kids. Girl, I need your number. Out here with that rump roast. Out here poking like that. Poking beans. Damn. Yeah, hit me up, baby.
Hey! No, what this kind for you? Where you come up from? On a water owner. Hey! Now this kind for this, where person go just come near that, say that.
What?
Sister, where you check on now? Your leg dirty.
Jesus!
Where you check on? The promotion you take on the shit. No worry, I can manage. Just give me a
I manage. That's it,
that will enter. That